her presence. But till she comes, let me speak to these wonderful hotties. I think you're pretty much playing yourselves on screen, or I'm just imagining it, or you're that good, of course.
You just call me neurotic.
No, but you're
perfectionist.
Yeah, perfectionist, for sure. I think being an Aryan, that happens. And you're anyway someone who stands by what you feel. So you want to tell us?
No filter.
No filter.
No filter. And there's no guard also. The other people need it.
तो आपको जब ऑडिशन आपका किया जा रहा था, पता नहीं किया भी होगा कि नहीं, उन्होंने बोला आप जैसे आ जाओ भाई.
Ekta was very clear she wanted me for this part. I wasn't. For a long time, I wasn't convinced.
Why would you be in doubt? Was such an amazing character.
Because I didn't know if I wanted to work with so many neurotic mothers.
What kind of a mom did you have when you were growing up? As in, how was she?
My mother was the opposite of what I'm playing.
Yeah.
She was extremely easy, extremely tolerant.
Yeah.
She didn't have 2 sons, she had 3 sons. I was pretending to be a daughter, but I wasn't. The boys would come back from downstairs and playing. I would never come back. So I'm extremely, my regard for her has gone up a lot after this show. Seriously. But Ajo is definitely not as patient as that.
But the beauty is you get to see so many of these stories and you actually, they're all so relatable.
I know Ajo. Yeah. I know a couple of Ajos actually. Yeah. People ask me how without being a mother I played this. I have real life stories all around me, so I'm not going to name them because they'll kill me. But I have enough friends who have inspired me to be able to play this character with complete
ease.
But
what you're playing is something we all get asked ever since there's been dialogue about this, that we can't have it all. And if you're going to be a working person, you're not going to be a great mother. ये इस character के लिए आपका research YouTube के videos थे क्या था?
नहीं actually no.
Let's hear it. No, yes, what? Let's clap for Charisma.
what are you saying?
Nothing.
Are you serious?
Hello everyone, I don't know why they've called me late like this.
Oh, no, you're absolutely in the nick of time, but before we come to you, you want to complete your character. I'm asking Shilpa about the character of how you can be a working woman and manage home.
So no research needed there really, because I have a lot of friends who are women, mothers, corporate people, and I think it is very instinctively they have this spontaneity about themselves that they just know how to balance it out.
But they do doubt themselves as well, like they show in your character.
I think that is something which comes from conditioning. It is not something that a woman really believes in. So it is basically a conflict between what the others are saying versus what she knows she is.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
Guilt has just been a woman's default for way too long.
But then also guilt is something which does not exist. I feel it is something which is like thrown
like
from
you
outside.
said, it's there in the air almost. Charisma, thank you for coming and doing this for us, because you've been a super mom and so good at all that you have touched. Do you want to tell us how much of your personal life you related to in the journey of playing this beautiful character?
Well, I think everyone knows that motherhood is, of course, for every woman, every mother is very important, but I take it extremely seriously, maybe. I think people know that. So when actually Ekta came to me with this script and I was like, I don't know whether I want to act again, I'm lazy, I don't want to do that.
After doing so much work, lazy and you don't go.
No, meaning I don't want to do that hard work anymore, I'm too busy, family life and stuff. And she was like, no, at least hear my story out. And I just couldn't say no, because I feel this story about motherhood is so relevant.
Yeah.
It's what every woman today, every mother goes through.
Yeah.
And each episode of ours has a story and a lesson and a meaning behind it. And I think that's something that I wanted to convey to the audience, that you're not alone.
Yeah.
We are all going through this every day. The good, the bad, the ugly, the triumphant, every emotion.
Was it hard work then, or did it feel like?
Well, honestly, it was like being at home. I used to see those kids and their mothers after them, and I would be like really comfortable. I think it was more tough for them because they weren't mothers and they've played mothers so well.
Just too many children all the time. I used to be like, yeah, रात के 2 बजे तुमको सोना नहीं है, घर नहीं जाना है, कटो यहाँ से.
But actually, the tantrums of kid actors. Did you?
I have to tell you that each and every one of these child actors were brilliant. Not one day did they have a
They were
tantrum. And
lovely.
we had like from 2-year-olds to like 13-year-olds.
They were lovely.
Amazing,
They had
amazing.
a blast. They had a blast.
They were entertaining you all.
All day. We had a
we were
great
yawning
time.
and looking at our watches. They were having a blast. They could care.
So the mentalhood was actually off the camera rather than on the camera.
Yes.
That was Shreya.
I used to go to Lolo and say, "ये WhatsApp group is ऐसा हो-" because I'm playing such a
होता है,
over the
होता
top
है.
person.
Yeah.
And I used to be like, "यार ये तो ज़्यादा हो गया." She said, "नहीं ऐसा होता है." I was like, "Dude, mothers are crazy women."
I love your personal life experiences coming in news for everybody.
There are so many experiences in this show that I have been through. I have lived through.
Wow. And I'd like
And
to
I'm
know
glad the audience are getting a chance to see that.
how does it feel facing the camera? How happy and thankful are you to Ekta and Z5 for bringing you back?
I think it's been wonderful, and it felt like home, like I said. You know,
Are
so
you on
the
a roll now?
environment on the set. I'm not sure about that. that we'll discuss another time. But yeah, like I said, I'm happy that the audience is getting a chance to see of what moms go through every day. Like, you know, each episode, there's an episode on bullying, on gender, on health, on very relevant things that parents are dealing with. Even men, meaning, you know, fathers and mothers are dealing, you know, a
And
single
there's not
dad,
enough
a single
conversation
mom.
on this.
Exactly. And you know, there's so many things that are taboo and people don't talk about, but our show brings it up. You know, things that are happening in mothers' lives as well, you know, as in their personal lives as well as their journey with their children. And
I
husbands.
bet Bebo's going to be watching this because she wants all
I
those
hope
lessons.
so. Yes, yes.
And let's applaud the mentalhood women who are showcasing. It's a crazy journey. One is to live it in real life and then to relive it as characters. May I have all the people present from Z5's bouquet to come here on stage and have a group picture. Do we want a picture with all the three gorgeous women first? Yeah.
बैठ जाओ संतोष दा बैठ जाओ
संतोष दा बैठो तो जा भाई लोग प्लीज जरा बैठ जाओ आप लोग
Sandhya, Lolo and Sharma, can you come this side just to get the Z5 backdrop as well? Thank you.
कलर टोन बहुत गंदा है
Yeah. May I have, no, stay on stage. We want the entire troupe to be with you all. Oh, she's doing pictures. Come, we'll have everyone join you and take a group picture. Aparna, once we're done with this, I'd like you to join them as well. Once they're done with an entire group picture. Thank you. Sure. Sandeep, please join them. Aparna, please join them. Sandeep, you're so tall, you could just be standing anywhere. It's interesting how the women are in the center and the men on the side.
मोबाइल
It's time.
Yeah.
It's time.
Yeah. All right, everyone. One last round of applause for our wonderful lineup for the month of March. The Shades of Entertainment are going to be everywhere. और जैसे आपने देखा, बहुत रंग बरसने वाले हैं. Pretty much every rang that human emotion possibly knows.